Hey everybody, how y'all doing? It's Bobby here on Paula Deen's Best Dishes. Thanks for tuning in. I've got for you today a really great snack, but it also can be a meal. This is going to be my lunch today. And this is the kind of stuff that I really like and eat all day, every day. And it's so simple. But what I like the most about it is that it's all real whole foods. The kind of stuff that we really eat a lot of at my house is the kind of things that would rot on the counter. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna make my version of a banana split. So I'm just gonna take a ripe banana here and cut it right down the middle, just in two. And I've got it in a little ceramic boat here. Tip of it broke off. Tip broke, y'all. But I'm gonna get it. Just kind of lay it open. Just got it in a little ceramic boat here. It looks nice. And we are going to top this thing with some yogurt. This is fat-free organic vanilla yogurt. So whatever your favorite kind of yogurt is, use it. I like Greek yogurt. Stuff with probiotics is nice too. Put some Greek yogurt in here in my banana boat. There's a couple things that I'm missing that I wish I had. I would probably put some flax on this. I've got some granola topper. How would you do this if you were in charge of it? You know, what order do you go in? I'm sure there's some people watching that are like, you put the yogurt on the bottom, you put the yogurt in there first. Why not put some yogurt on the top? I might do both. You don't know. You could add some peanut butter to this if you wanted to, it would be nice. Or maybe some almond butter. We'll put a little bit of granola right here in the bottom. And if you don't want to use granola, you could use some fresh nuts, some walnuts, or some pecans, or whatever you want. So a couple of strawberries. Who had banana splits when they were kids or as adults? Me too. I love them. Love a banana split. Had more than my share of them from the Dairy Queen, I must admit, growing up in Albany, Georgia. Some banana splits. Some nice fresh raspberries. Some blueberries. And this is a snack, but man, you can make a meal out of this. I'm going to. I guarantee you. Some walnuts, some chopped walnuts right on top. And maybe a little bit more yogurt. What would be good, and I don't have any on me, would be some flax seeds, maybe right on top of that. A little bit of honey. More or less, depending on your taste. Voila, that is a great, delicious, nutritious snack for you. It's my take on a banana split.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.